Welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be drawing a cute cheetah cub, and it's pretty easy to draw, and I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun doing it. So grab your paper and marker or pencil and get drawing with us. Okay, we're going to start with this eye over here. We're going to make a big rainbow shape. And then right here, we're going to come down and create an oval. And then we're going to fill in that oval. Not all the way, but part way. We're going to leave a highlight right here. We're going to fill in the rest.
Mommy, can I add more highlights?
Sure. I might have to because my marker's running low. I might have to borrow yours for filling in mine. All right. Now we're going to do a little nose right here. Like that.
Can I try it like kind of like curvy?
Sure. Cute. All right, now this one, we're gonna draw a rainbow shape again. Then we're gonna come up here and we're gonna come down and create an oval.
Those look like cute eyes.
Mm-hmm. And then let's create some highlights. All right, now since it's a cheetah, we're gonna draw some cheetah stripes right here.
If you were thinking it was a cat, it's not. It's a cheetah.
Which is a wild cat.
Yeah, pretty much. But no, it's not a home cat.
No. Okay. And now,
Can I add little eyelashes?
well, we're about to add some cheetah striping. Like this right here. And this right here. Cute. All right. And now we're going to draw a curved line up right here. And another curved line up right here.
And now these are the ears?
Nope, these are not the ears.
What are they?
They are part of the head. And this is the ear right here.
It's kind of overlapping with the head to make it cute.
Mm-hmm. Cute. And then we're going to draw a curved line here and here. And then we're going to do some little hairs. Cute. And now cheetah ears are a little bit dark on the edges. So we're going to fill in there. And here. All right, now we're going to do some spots. And they kind of make a triangular shape as they come down. And they probably get a little smaller as they come down too. And you can do different sizes. And then you could do a cheetah stripe here. And one right here. All right, and then we're going to do a little mouth. And then we're gonna do a curved line down, and it's gonna meet up underneath. And then right here, we're gonna do more cheetah striping down here.
This is so when they're in the African savanna that their eyes don't get hurt by the sun.
All right. I want to make mine look a little more like a smile than mine does. And then we can put a little bit more spots. Okay. Now, hopefully you have room for your body. That's a cute face though. What should we do?
Maybe like tape a part so they can like.
You want to tape it so you can make it big enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even I have 3 papers.
So let's do yours kind of like her. I think right there will work. We don't have tape right now, but we could tape it later. So just hold it in place with your hand. Okay. All right. So we're going to draw some little fluffies because cheetah cubs are pretty fluffy.
Fluffy, I want to pet them.
So kind of like this. And then we're going to draw a rainbow right here.
A rainbow for the pie.
For the paw. And then bring it together right there. And then a little toe thing right there.
I don't want to do one.
Okay. And then a diagonal line for the... Oh, that's cute. I like yours. In fact, I like how wide yours is. I'm going to go make mine wider.
Can I add like little like claws?
Sure. Now we're going to do another rainbow shape right here. Bring it together. And then put 2 more.
She has black painted fingernails.
All right. And now we're going to draw one more rainbow shape right here. This is her back leg.
That's the last one.
Yeah, that's the last one that shows.
But instead, you go like, like
this
left.
Yeah, we're going to make a C shape right here. Yeah. And then right here, we're going to do her back, like a curvy. Everything okay?
Yeah.
There's room, don't worry. All right, so we'll do a little curve and then comes down, but it doesn't meet up, just like that. And then a little kind of rectangular shape right here. Okay, and then we need a line right here. And then a line from this leg. Yeah, and then another one right next to the fluffy. Unless you went really wide with your fluffy, but I think you can. All right, and now we're going to do spots.
Spots?
Yep.
Spots,
and they don't have to be perfect circles.
Spots. You can do splotches like this.
Yeah, you can do splotches or perfect dots. It's up to you.
Well, you're a great artist because you're an adult.
Yeah, but I don't want to make them perfect circles because
they don't.
Because cheetahs don't have perfect circles. Some of them are kind of square shaped. Ooh, yours is so cute. Okay, now what's missing? The tail. So it's just a tail like this. And then we're going to put a spot here and a spot here and then a white stripe right there.
Cute. All right, now I'm going to use your Sharpie and darken some of mine, and then we're going to color it. You ready to color?
I hope you had so much fun drawing your cheetah cub with us. Go ahead and pause it right here if you need it for reference to color your cheetah. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we will see you next time.